How's the week going? बैंड बजी पड़ी है क्यों नहीं बजेगी बिकॉज इट्स द फर्स्ट वीक बैक टू स्कूल ऑल द पेरेंट्स ऑल द किड्स टीचर्स बेचारी पिछले 20-25 दिन से ऑलरेडी जा रही है बट फाइंडिंग द रूटीन फाइंडिंग द रिदम इज वॉट इज क्वाइट अ बिट ऑफ अ चैलेंज राइट नाउ और वो चैलेंज को दूर करने के लिए इन द स्टूडियोज ऑफ City 1016 we've got Anuja Upadhyay who is licensed child psychologist. Welcome Eji one more time. How are you doing?
Thank you, Tarun. Happy to be back.
It's happy to have you back. First week back to school.
Yes.
You're going back to school also.
Yeah, I'm feeling the same emotions like every mother and every child is.
Oh my God, this is the craziest bit, right? 2 months. हमने छुट्टियां मनाई हैं, हम वेकेशंस पे गए, स्टेकेशंस पे गए हैं, रात भर मस्ती करी है बच्चों के साथ. अब उठना पड़ रहा है सुबह जल्दी 5 बजे. How to break out of this routine? Question number 1.
See, I would say जितना डिफिकल्ट ये अडल्ट के लिए है उससे 10 टाइम ज़्यादा बच्चों के लिए है बट अडल्ट के लिए भी डिफिकल्ट है. So take it slow, take it easy. You will have a few loopholes here and there. सुबह टिफिन नहीं रेडी है, मम्मियाँ भाग रही हैं, पापा भाग रहे हैं, बस मिस हो रही है. You know, all of that will happen. But don't take it too hard on yourself. It's okay. 10 years down the line, आप वो चीज़ याद करके हंसोगे.
जैसे मैं हंस रहा हूँ because I remember during this phase मेरी मम्मी बेचारी है ना तो क्या होता था बस हमारा घर ही है तो बस सामने वाले रोड पे आती थी और हम लोग मट्ठे हम लोग को टाइम लगता था उठने में और रेडी होने में. मेरी मम्मी बेचारी टिफिन लेके खड़ी हुई और बस आ गई. ओ भैया रुको. I think this would happen in a place like Dubai as well, especially if you're a desi mom. So well done to you. And sorry mama, we've parishaned you so much. But when it comes to finding the rhythm back, are there any tips that you can give out to the parents?
See, I would say be as prepared as you can. Each family, each child have their own speed and pace to things. So if you're someone who's super organized, definitely, you know, अभी से चीज़ें structure में आ गई होंगी, routine में आ गई होंगी. If you're someone who's a very last minute person and who doesn't know what to do, try to be as prepared as you can be. Set the alarm, set 3 alarms, set 4 alarms. Make sure that at least you're telling your child कि आज 11 बजे नहीं सो सकते, आज 9 बजे सोना है बिकॉज कल सुबह जल्दी उठना है. So, you know, have that conversation with the child and keep reinforcing that to them. Ki we have to go to school tomorrow, holidays are finished, but school's going to be fun as well. So don't make it a very negative experience also for them ki are subah utna hai, back to the grind. But have a little bit of a positivity as well. Ki, you know, you will have these things in your school and you'll have a new classroom and a new teacher and you'll meet new friends. Again, have a good balance of positive and negative, something that the children are going to look forward to also. You don't want to deal with a howling, crying child at, you know, 5 a.m. in the morning.
जंगल भेज रहे हो, स्कूल नहीं भेज रहे हो, क्या हो रहा है ये? But you're so right. To have that positive outlook towards this is so important. But यार, आपने बोला कि बच्चे को बोलो कि 9 बजे सो जाए. अगर इतने समझदार बच्चे हो तो फिर माँ बाप को टेंशन ही नहीं होता लाइफ में. ठीक है.
Then मॉडल करिए, आप भी सोइए साथ में.
बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम है ना मतलब जैसे इन अ सिनेरियो लाइक माय डॉटर हैजंट स्टार्ट गोइंग टू स्कूल येट सो आई एम नॉट रीच देयर बट आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट फ्यूचर. सो 2 महीने से आदत है कि हम 10:30-11 बजे सो रहे हैं इंक्लूडिंग द बच्चास बिकॉज मस्त देसी हाउस होल्ड है. रात को देर से खाना खा रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं, लूडो खेल रहे हैं, कैरम खेल रहे हैं, टीवियां देख रहे हैं. एकदम से कैसे 9 बजे सोएंगे?
या सो दैट what you can do is, and earlier we were discussing कि 2 दिन सोए नहीं ये मत करो. एक दिन अगर बच्चा उठ गया है और वो नैप लेता है जैसे आफ्टरनून में, सो स्किप दैट नैप एंड मेक श्योर दैट द चाइल्ड इज मे बी अ लिटिल बिट मोर टायर्ड देन यूजुअल. सो गो फॉर लाइक अ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, रन, ट्रैम्पलिन पे जंप करा लो एंड ऑल दैट. हैव दैट सेट लाइक 3 to 4 hours बिफोर देयर बेड टाइम. ठीक है, 3 to 4 hours पहले उसको एकदम थोड़ा एग्जॉस्ट कर लो. एंड दिस इज नॉट चाइल्ड अब्यूज, इट्स जस्ट
अ लॉट ऑफ फन. नो एग्जॉस्ट क्या, घर पे झाड़ू पोछा थोड़ी लगवा रहे हैं, खिलवाने जा रहे हैं भाई, जाके खेल.
तो उनको थोड़ा सा टायर आउट कर दो. देन व्हेन यू कम बैक होम यू हैव योर डिनर, देन स्टार्ट योर डाउन टाइम. कि you start your downtime by 5 or 6 p.m. No TV zone, read a story to them, dim the lights, have something more calming at that time. So maybe 1 hour before bedtime or 30 minutes before bedtime, you're doing all of those activities and tucking the child in bed. Then what will happen? Your body clock will reset. क्योंकि अब आप सो गए हो, let's say 8 बजे, I think by 8 o'clock
8:30 maximum.
kids should be in bed. फिर वो सुबह अपने आप से उठेंगे,
साढ़े
एंड
पाँच,
देन
पाँच
यू विल
बजे
हैव
उठेंगे।
दैट इन
Yeah.
मोशन.
और वो बच्चा ही आपको आके उठाएगा क्योंकि
Yeah.
आप तो सुलाने के बाद टीवी देखने जाओगे।
या तो अगर वहाँ आपने थोड़ा सा डिडक्शन कर लिया ना, 11 से आप 8 पे आ
Yeah.
गए, वो एक दिन पहले भी, देन इट विल रीसेट for the
That's what
child.
a great idea. Just avoid that afternoon nap, and even better, take them out for swimming, for trampoline park, or for a game of cricket if they are playing in the gully or even at indoor facilities. I know गर्मी बहुत है, but just do that. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And I think जब एक बार स्कूल एक proper routine चालू रहेगी तो थक के आएंगे ही आएंगे अपने
हाँ,
आप.
yeah,
So I think that
exactly.
should also be a very good thing. Now,
Yeah.
ये हो गई रूटीन सेट करने की बात. When it comes to the entire dynamics of doing homeworks, यहाँ पे भी ट्यूशंस होते हैं, बच्चे
Some
जाते हैं.
हाँ, ट्यूटरिंग के लिए जाते हैं some kids, and online classes भी अब काफ़ी हो गई हैं.
Oh, really?
So
Okay.
yeah, they have like 1 or 2 hours of online tutoring classes after school hours as well.
So in that scenario, the routine would automatically go back to the
Yeah.
entire day of education and sports.
Yeah.
And then the weekends, how do we manage that?
So again, I would say take a gradual start. Anything done in extremes will not have very productive outcomes.
Okay.
So take it slow. Let the children settle in the first 2 or 3 weeks in school. See how that happens, because working with a few schools, I know the inside story. Schools are also figuring it out the first 2 weeks and 3
Absolutely,
weeks.
yeah.
टाइम टेबल्स बन रहे हैं, टीचर्स एलोकेट हो रही हैं, कंफर्म हो रही हैं, बच्चे आ रहे हैं, 1-2 दिन बाद कुछ नए बच्चे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. सो इवन देयर इन द लैंडस्केप ऑफ schools, there's a lot of changes that are happening. So don't have a schedule which is too overwhelming for your child as well. कि स्कूल में भी बच्चा इतना चेंजेस हैंडल कर रहा है, फिर वो
घर
घर
पे
आ
भी
रहा
आ
है,
रहा है।
फिर उसके ट्यूशंस भी शुरू हो गए हैं, फिर ये क्लास वो क्लास. सो हैव लाइक एन ईजी ट्रांजिशन इनटू स्कूलिंग. गिव द चाइल्ड 2 to 3 weeks and then talk to your child कि do you feel ready now? Do you have class teachers already allocated? Do you know where you're sitting in the class? Do you know your friends? How do you feel about it? So we say like name it to tame it.
Okay.
Right? So name your emotions and how you're feeling about the whole situation. Some children, they are able to get into the routine pretty quickly. So they'll be like, yes, mama, I'm enjoying my day and I did this and that and that. So they seem more confident. And that's when you start including other things in their day. Some children, they are a little slow. They might take longer times. So for them, if you can see some physical signs or emotional signs कि बच्चा घर आके सो जा रहा है because they are so tired or they are cranky and irritable, so talk to them कि I know you've had a hard day. Give it a few weeks. Mama and Papa are there for you.
मुझे
Shall
सुनने
we?
में मजा आ रहा है. So nice.
Shall we go for a walk? And make something exciting for them over the weekend. So something they can look forward to. कि ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ मंडे टू फ्राइडे स्कूल, फिर वीकेंड पे भी ये लोग बोर करेंगे, फिर मंडे से स्कूल. सो हैव
इतना
सम
दिल से
फन
क्यों बोल रही है? You
एक्टिविटी.
lived that bit of- मैं आएंगी.
I still live कि वीकेंड पे कुछ अलग करते हैं, फिर मंडे टू फ्राइडे काम यार क्या करेंगे. So
Okay, that's quite exciting, and I think parents who are listening to you right now, they will try and incorporate as much as they can. But let's talk about the papas and the mamas right now. It's a difficult transition for them as well.
Yeah.
बच्चों का तो ठीक है, हम वॉक पे चले जाएंगे, बात कर लेंगे, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं that can
Yeah.
lead us there where kids are safe and happy. When it comes to the parents, see, everyone has been going to work. वो
Yeah.
बंद नहीं हुआ है. और अभी स्कूल टाइम्स जो हैं वो काफी सारे चेंजेस हुए considering the traffic situation.
Yes.
The year is unified. That is one
Yeah.
beautiful thing that the
Yeah.
education system has done here.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the parents, how do they manage this? Do you think that they should speak to work? कि भाई मुझे पिकअप और ड्रॉप ऑफ के लिए 1 घंटा चाहिए.
Yeah, I think that is a good idea. Just to spoil it a little bit for the expat population, we have a rule for the federal government employees that they will get some, some special privileges.
This is the first week in which they will get this. Yeah.
yeah. So good for them. But if we can have something similar for the others as well, wherein you inform, your line manager and your boss that I have 2 kids and I need to drop them off at school, and can someone cover for me the first hour, and things like that. Make those minor adjustments at your workplace if that's something that they can do. Otherwise, divide responsibilities between mom and dad. 1
Yeah.
week mom, 1 week dad. Some families here are really fortunate to have like great help. So they have nannies and caregivers who are there with them at home. They are really good. So prep them also that, this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to leave this responsibility with you. Are you able to go in a taxi, drop them and come back? Because we see a lot of children, they come with their nannies in the morning. So have that kind of support system. Carpool, I think, is a great idea as well. Some of our friends do that and it's quite effective. So one parent pools in together, 3 or 4 kids, drop off and pick up. So that again is something that you can do collectively as a parent community to talk to each other.
If everyone who is watching this are from the community that I live in, then you know me. आने वाले टाइम में आप ही टेम्पो चलाओगे. ठीक है. But let's close this podcast because it was majorly around setting up the routine and giving advice to kids and parents. If there are 3 things for each, let's summarize it. What would those be?
For parents, I would say take it easy. And be in control of your own feelings and the way you are going to set the foundation for your children. So stay calm and composed as much as you can because your children are mimicking your emotions as well. So if you are anchored in strongly, then obviously they will also feed off of that energy. For children, again, don't have high expectations from children, and if parents are doing that, then children will also be happy because they know that there's no expectation from me. I can be myself. I've just gotten back after a holiday of 2 months, and this is how it's going to look like. So ensure that the children's well-being is taken care of before any academic pressures are put in place. And who was the third one?
The third one was basically 3 tips for both.
Acha. Oh,
Not 3
okay.
tips combined, but पापा मम्मी के लिए हो गई, पेरेंट्स के लिए हो गई. Let's do the last one for teachers.
Teachers, yeah. I think for teachers, they have to be a little patient. And that is something that they are most of the times, but give the children and the families some leeway, be a little patient with them, be calm, be empathetic, because obviously they are struggling as well, so they can empathize with the other families and children. So give the children a little bit extra time to settle in, and don't be too harsh in the first few weeks.
And this is an appreciation, small little comment for all the teachers, including yourself. You do go to schools, you visit schools, and you are, helping students, so many of them.
Yeah.
You guys are doing a phenomenal job. We have one child and we are pulling our hair at times. And that's not just me, there are so many parents. You have 30 minimum or maximum. I don't know the strength of the class here. But you're doing really, really well. So thank you so much for being so patient, being so empathetic. But you need to be more of that. So please be that also.
Yes, definitely.
No, but it's been quite amazing. Thank you so much for coming down.
You're welcome.
And yeah, hopefully see you back very soon on Dad Talks.
Yes. Thank you for having me, Tarun.
Thank you, Anuja.
City 1016.